Daniel, you having fun in the castle that Uncle Paul brought you? Go ahead and go get in the other side there, buddy. Hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun jumping around in there?
I did.
You slid down head first?
A few times.
I went down sideways. You threw me down sideways.
Yes, I did.
Is it really hot in there? Or?
It's pretty warm, yeah. Because even though there's an evap in there, it's still...
Huh?
The shade doesn't really help?
Because the air that's being pumped into the thing is hot.
It's hot air.
It helps cool it down a little bit, but not...
It doesn't really... We don't really rent these out this time. I actually did one today. Thought the lake.
You climbing up there? Show yourself. Okay, Daniel. Go for it. Wow. Is that fun?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a flip, okay?
All right. Don't quite think you stuck it.
What?
I don't think you quite stuck it.
That's okay. I landed on my ass. Go for it, Pop. Watch out, Danny. Danny, watch out. Come here. Sit back here. Let's watch your dad come down. You're going down it really slow.
I noticed.
Are you just too sweaty now, or what?
No clue.
Are you climbing up there, Danny? Uh-oh.
You want to come down or up? When you flipped the first time, he was going up the slide, and the bouncing made him slide back down.